Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I have found the most delicious rice. This is the Andes Charleston Gold rice from White House Farms, and let me tell you, it tastes amazing. So you might be thinking, rice is just rice, it's kind of bland, it all tastes the same. That is definitely not the case. This is an incredibly flavorful rice, and it is so aromatic that this can take rice from being the side dish to being the star of the show. It is so incredible. It has a really nice earthy flavor. It is a little bit nutty, and it is also very aromatic. So this just enhances your dishes by adding to the overall flavor and enjoyment. I also really love the mouthfeel of this rice. It has a little bit of a heartier texture and a little bit of a chew to it, and the kernels stay separate, which is awesome, and it fluffs up so nicely. Preparing this rice is simple, with a 15-minute simmer followed by a 15-minute rest, and then you're good to go. I have cooked this just with water, and you can really experience the delicious flavor of this rice. I have also made it into a super delicious coconut rice, and it just totally enhances everything because it does add that unique flavor to your dishes. White House Farms is conscientious of using minimal processing techniques, and also it is processed in small batches to really preserve the integrity of the product and deliver that super high quality, delicious flavor with every bite. So if you are looking to try a very high quality rice with an incredibly delicious flavor that's going to transform all of your dishes, definitely check out this Charleston Gold rice from White House Farms. You are going to love the unique and super tasty flavor of this rice, and that is my point of view.